Welcome to Arqiva Energy Awareness Training. This short course should take you about 30 minutes to complete. The purpose of this training is to explain why energy conservation is important, to highlight a variety of issues arising from Arqiva's use of energy, and to ensure that all employees understand how they can help to reduce the energy used in their day-to-day duties. The course is in 3 parts. The first part sets energy conservation in a national and international context. At the end of this section of the course, you should be able to list some of the main reasons for the need to conserve energy resources, identify the main factors in recent years that have increased the significance of energy conservation, outline the key national and international processes driving energy conservation. Energy costs are rising around the world, partly as a result of population growth. The current population of 7 billion is projected to grow to 9 billion by 2050, mainly in developing countries. Increased population leads to further depletion of natural resources, and demand is rapidly outstripping supply. As resources become scarcer and more difficult to find and extract, costs will increase dramatically. Increased use of energy is also thought to be contributing to climate change. Fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas, when burned, release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Excessive and unregulated energy usage can cause pollution, while energy shortages have been a factor in wars, strikes, civil unrest and many other forms of conflict. Energy has played an increasingly important role in global politics. For example, during the 1973 oil crisis, which brought with it the threat of fuel rationing. Since then, it has been widely recognised that the Earth's supply of fossil fuels is finite and is declining increasingly rapidly. We now measure the amount of carbon emitted by energy consumption. To put it in context, the energy used by Arqiva caused the emission of over 206,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide in 2011. 1 tonne of carbon dioxide would fill a balloon 10 metres in diameter, approximately the same size as some of our larger satellite dishes. However, the amount of carbon emitted per unit of electricity varies depending on the proportion of gas, coal, nuclear and renewable sources supplying the national grid. Energy from renewable sources is generally far cleaner. 90% of the world uses about 80% of its natural resources. At the same time, there is a huge growth in demand for energy from emerging economies. This rate of consumption is not sustainable. Saving energy at Arqiva is good for the environment and good for the bottom line. It is therefore the responsibility of all employees to become more energy aware. Click on any of the links if you'd like to review part of the course, or proceed directly to the test.